All right, we are here in the Gulf of Maine. Nate's up top on video duty. That's the crew we have. This is, I think this was a donation trip to the special needs community. Now we got a couple native Mainers on here that have actually been out with Captain Dillon before. Caught some sharks with him. So today they switched it up, and there's a shark right there. All right, I guess I got to get to work. All right, intro over.
Keep that tip right down.
You can walk with him. Yeah, like he wants to clear the motor. Just don't wait till it's a problem, you know what I mean? Yeah. He wants to sit right on the side.
Garrett, you gonna hook up next?
Yeah. Oh yeah, good one.
Oh yeah.
I like you. I like you. Oh yeah, he's gonna take some line, bud. I like you. He's brought and paid. You can't reel till he's nope. And after you find it, if you want to just give it a little pump, stuff a little more.
Crank, crank.
Okay. There you go. You can't tighten it if you got it. See what he's doing. Over the top.
Oh, sorry.
You good?
I tell you what though, you got the technique down. Is he the single one?
No.
Oh, okay. So he's married, so he's got the arm strength. The tuna jumping right there. Yep, see
Yawn.
two away in that.
Boiling.
I'm coming this way.
Hey, he does not like you. You're on it.
Angry shark.
You're in for the long haul, I think, Cody.
All that work.
We ain't ruining this one.
I can't give you too much more drag, but trying to help you.
You're winning now.
I don't know. He ain't really coming. Get on the prop, but the prop. Prop. Yeah, hold the rod. Okay. Keep reeling. I can deal with that. All right, big shark.
Your leader.
Oh, I thought he came off, Code.
Yeah.
He's already up.
Attaboy, Cody. That's a nice one.
It is a nice one. Stop rolling. Alright, somebody get the pliers in? Yep. I'm going to relax for a second. Okay, we're good? You're good? Oh, there you go. There's another one there.
What is that? Probably closer to 8 feet, you think? 7?
Yeah. Fuck, man. Thank you.
Holy shit. Hey, up top, up here. Woo. Right here.
I know. Okay, we're on a break right now because we've already caught two.
Two.
You just hooked
Alright.
up on jellyfish.
Oh, we hooked three. We had one break.
Oh, there's two right beside each other.
And we've got
Yeah.
two right here at the boat. So we're trying to rig up some rods. We're on break. I had to eat a bagel, hydrate. We've only had lines in the water for an hour, so we're easing into our day. Trying to ease into our day. Nate still in the Tower of Power. All right, back at it.
Line's on.
Reel.
Get out of the door.
Yeah, start the boat. I'm gonna stand on this one.
Gotcha.
Tight on him. You're doing great. Just what you wanna do. Step right to the left.
Yeah, Gary, you're gonna be buckled up here for a minute, bud.
So you may want to try standing straight up now.
Straight on you?
Yeah, I guess.
Keep it tight. Keep it tight. He's trying to roll. Trying to roll. Pressure on him.
You come
Yeah,
up.
and lift. Reel and lift. Reel down and lift. What's the stage?
Stand right up straight. There you go.
Pressure. Face him. That's what's fucking you up. You gotta face him. Come to the front.
Go to the other side.
That's why it keeps coming out. You're not facing him.
This with my legs.
Let the furnace do it. Okay. That's right. Reel down. Come back to where you're at. Lean back. Yeah, these go loose when you fuck. All right. You're reeling me like a bass.
The one kid that reels lefty out of all of us.
Yeah, I know.
Right-handed pole.
Walk it down. You can only get half a foot, just half a foot. There you go. Let the harness do the work. Oh yeah, that's so easy, right? Yeah. These are tight, then he's fighting against your back. Rather than your arm. Okay. So don't give up. How's it? Stay on. You don't want his head. His head's up right now. You want to keep his head up. Yep. There you go. No break. No break. He's fighting harder than you. You got it. You're in a rhythm now. This is exactly. You're good. You're good. You're in a rhythm now.
Kind of.
There you go, Garrett.
You got him till he runs.
Yeah, then he's gonna be gone again. You're good. No, he hadn't made his last run yet. right on me now. Jesus didn't tap.
Jesus, take the reel.
Jesus take the reel. What a great name for a boat. That would have been a great boat name. Jesus take the reel.
You know what? I made steel that night. That boat I'm rebuilding.
I'm not giving up. Don't get break. Real.
Oh, going under the boat. Yeah, you're not in child's play right now, Garrett.
I see it in the color. Oh, he's rolling hard.
Yeah, he is. I saw that. Oh, look at his belly right up right now. You're right there, Garrett.
Very good, you're good. Yep, keep doing what you're doing. Take those quarter turns. Come out of that roll. Keep going. Keep going. Pressure and comes out of it. He's gonna go again, so it's not done.
That is a freaking big one. Just grab it by the nose.
Let go of that. There you go.
Fuck yes, Garrett.
Alright, blue clippers.
Already got the.
All right.
I need you to keep the pressure on them, okay? So I can
I got back up a little bit. There.
Man, thank you. Holy shit.
Hey, up top. Up here.
Woo.
Right here.
I know.
There we go.
You can leave it running.
Okay.
Look at that technique.
Yeah.
Such technique. It's
Yeah.
amazing. I
So
mean,
you don't even really need to hold it with your hands.
no, once you got it, just lean and
I hope this thing's a son of a bitch like mine.
Actually, I'll probably get the fancy reels, put them on the stand-up ones.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go. That's what we like to hear. It's a lot more entertaining when you're out here and not the one behind the pole.
It is. Towing us ashore.
Tell us the show.
Hey, we'll take it.
No, towing us to Mexico, sorry. There we go.
Whoa!
Got him.
Another little rep there.
Oh, there. Let him go over more. Oh, we got him. Yep.
Oh, feisty.
There you go. Good? You and I good?
Pretty good, right?
All right. We're packing it in. We're heading in. The boys are happy.
Yeah.
Absolutely incredible day of shark fishing. We'll throw all this together, hopefully in one nice video, which you're watching, and this will be the conclusion of it. What do you think, boys? You have a good time out there today?
Yeah.
Absolutely. That was unreal.
What did we end up with?
9.
9.
11 hookups.
11 hookups, but landed 9.
All right. Even I caught one, really. Had to check into the ball game for one.
Well, yeah, not realistic.
All right.
I mean.
Struggle is real, and struggle's headed home. Back to port.